Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren, but you can call me Lou, and today we are playing with stickers and unboxing a new planner since I messed up buying my first one. I bought myself a reusable sticker book. Look at that.
Nice.
I'm gonna put my planner stickers in it.
Nice. Wait, so you can reuse the stickers?
Yeah,
Nice.
that is pretty nice.
I don't know why I keep saying nice.
So if you know me, you know that I love stickers. I kind of have a problem with stickers because between my planner sets and my individual stickers that I use for other things like arts and crafts when I'm feeling up to it, I have over 1,000, like well over 1,000. So yes, I really did sit here and go through all of my individual sticker pages for my planner stickers, and I separated them and I organized them by shape and also by type. So here you'll see me putting all of the rectangular shaped stickers and appointment stickers and things all on the first page. By the end of this clip, I had already reorganized some of them. And as you'll see later, I did reorganize this page a little bit as well to kind of fit more things in a better order. Part of the reason why I have so many stickers is because I use a happy planner and I really like decorating it. So anytime that I see a sticker book on sale, whether that be at Walmart or Amazon or the dollar store, I will pick up these sticker books for $1, $2, when usually if you're buying them new, they're gonna be like $14, $15, or even $20 depending on what brand you're buying. So for mine, I get pretty lucky sometimes, and then I end up with way too many because I see them as so cheap. It's kind of a problem, and that leaves me with a bunch of different sticker books that are different sizes, and it's really hard to organize them. So I got tired of it, and I ordered this reusable sticker book for like, I don't know, $7 or $8. And I really did sit here and take each individual sticker and re-stick it into this book. Oh my goodness. It was a long process. It took me a couple of days, but I think it worked out. And now they're all in the same place and they're all easily accessible for me. The way that I separated them makes it easy for me to decorate the months, to pick out individual colors, to pick out certain stickers for appointments or practices or school stuff, things like that. And I think it made my life a little bit easier, and it definitely consolidated my sticker collection down to a book that can fit in my bag with my planner, and it has everything that I need, and it's separate from all of the other books that are still new and haven't been used yet. Okay, so I was up until like midnight last night putting these stickers into here. I have already rearranged part of the first page. I have left space for things. I have separated things into months. I have this many pages left out of 37. I've gotten rid of all of these pages already, and I am already afraid that I'm gonna run out of room. But I'm consolidating. This is another day of me putting individual stickers into this reusable sticker book. You can see how tedious of a process it is, but I put this clip in here because I really want you to see the magnitude of sticker pages that I have. Some of the cheaper versions of the sticker books basically fall apart after you flip through them a couple of times, and then the individual pages are really hard to deal with. They get bent, the stickers stick to things they're not supposed to, just because they're not bound in that little flip book. So here's the start of it. That's now 3 different books. 4, 5, 6, that's a different set. And then there's this one that is a Happy Planner brand. You can see a lot of the pages are still together and I'm having to pull them apart physically to separate them for this project. This is one that I've had for probably 3 or 4 years now, so I've used a lot of the stickers and you can see that it's like keeping together well. So that one I pulled apart, but this one here came from the dollar store and all of the pages on the inside of that are not connected. More pages, more pages. I have a problem. I think that I should probably not buy any more stickers until I use the majority of the ones that I have, because there's a lot of them. Let me know if you guys want to have a sticker tour, because I would do that for you. There's 85 sheets of stickers. Okay, I took all of these 85 sheets worth and I fit them in this book. Okay, I think I did it right this time. I just got another planner in the mail, and we're gonna hope that it's right. If you missed my last video, I ordered myself a planner for Christmas, and it was a 2023 planner, not a 2024 planner. Is it right? Is it right? Is it right? 2024. Good Lord. It is almost February. It's almost February. And it is now March, so I've only had it for about a month. But this is the one that I really wanted. So I think I'm okay.
Oh, there's another one.
And mine didn't have this plastic part on it. So I think I'm probably not the first person who had that happen. What you want to do, I'm going to take it off here. So I ordered it from a listing with 6 other planners that all said 2024. The only one left on that listing I clicked and bought, and it was the wrong year. And I should be able to slide it off. Here we go.
No, don't you do it. Oh, big fire. This is bad. This is not good. I have another tree down here. Oh no. No.
Yeah.
This is
The one from a couple weeks ago that was wrong didn't have all this stuff. When I got the other one out of the box, it looked new, but it didn't have any of these dividers or anything keeping the pages bound. I like this one much better. I am really happy that I decided to return it and get a new one instead of taking the time to redate an entire planner after taking the time to do all of my stickers.
There's the guy. All this work.
Look on the inside too.
Come on now. Come on. Thinking about the whole staff now. Stop sizzling. Who's sizzling? Everybody's sizzling. Oh my God. Do you not want to come home with us? You got a lovely beach house.
I really like that. Look at that. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you want to see a sticker tour, and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my general chaos.